Hey, so these are my 4 favorite exercises for low back and that hip and gluteal pain that a lot of people get. A lot of times when people feel this type of pain, especially in the low back, they try to stretch it, right? They're constantly doing stretches like this or, figure 4 type stretches, right? And that can be really helpful. But what I found is a lot of times that low back pain, especially the sacral pain here, and also that radiating pain that goes down, a lot of people refer to as sciatic pain, is actually due to gluteal muscles that aren't turning on properly. So this 4-step process is going to help you turn those gluteal muscles on, build strength in your back and your core, and then also then stretch the low back and the gluteal muscles. So the first one starts in this position. Right, we call this a kind of like pinwheel legs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up like so. I'm going to keep my body facing the same direction as my front knee, and I'm slowly going to lower myself down. So that's the first one. And you would do this for about 10 repetitions. Notice that when I'm coming down really slow. So I come up, and then I'm giving myself a 5-second lower. All right, so you do that on both sides. Here, and also on here, right? Good. The next exercise is going to be an arch up. And here we're going to do what's called a straddle arch. So I'm going to arch my back up like so. I'm going to lift my legs up, and then I'm going to kick them out. The key is that my knees are not touching the ground. And then once my leg is extended, I squeeze the buttock on the side of the extended leg. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So you do that also for 10 repetitions on either side. Then right after that, we're going to do what's called a reverse deadlift, an RDL. We're going to do that with arms out. We'll do it from this position. So I'm going to come down and then back up. At the top, squeeze the buttocks, squeeze the abdomen. Push the butt out. So what we're doing is we're stretching the back of the legs, stretching the gluteal muscles, coming back up. 10 repetitions here. And then the last one is back to the floor. We can start with one leg extended. Bring it as close to your body as possible. Arms out. Rotate. 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 Try not to use your arms. Try not to use this arm to press. Use your waist to go. After you've done 10 repetitions, bring it here. Grab just behind the knee. Keep the legs straight, and then rotate. Move the opposite direction. And then you do that on both sides. Okay? If you do that, these 4 exercises every day, I would estimate that if you're dealing with low back and hip pain, that will go away probably, unless you need surgery, which a lot of people don't, that'll go away in less than a week. Okay.